What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to True Legendaries Mega Love Shoutout, you mates! Yes, at mga kapuso, we are back for a reaction video for our you mates, you me! Yes, dahil meron silang dance practice. Ito ang inyong request ng Born to Shine. This is our time. I love this song, guys. I've been so hooked talaga sa Born to Shine. And everyday nanonood ako during my break time sa office. At talaga naman, sinusubaybayan natin ang buhay ni Jenny Sikat, ng Yumi, sila Dara Halari, sila Minchi, of course. At syempre, alam na nga, 'di ba? Ni Miss Amelia, ni Ma'am Amelia, na apo niya si Jenny. So, yan ang ating mga abangan. But of course, hindi natin palalagpasin itong dance practice na ito dahil parang tototohanin na ba ng GMA na gawing reality ang Yumi as a P-pop group, no? Sana gawin nila yun. Kasi parang F4 lang yan eh, di ba? Naging totoo silang band and also naging pop icon. So why not Yumi become a real P-pop group, 'di ba? Agree ba kayo? Comment down below, guys. Dapat ipetisyon natin 'to sa GMA. Charet. And of course, ito na nga sila Naya, Gaia, Zephanie, Mitzi, and Olive May para sa This Is Our Time. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Hey. Ay. In fairness, ang ganda ni Yuna, no? Para siyang young Angel Locsin. Eh! Love their step there. O, diba? Kabog! Ang ganda ni Yuna. Nagiging bias ko dito si Yuna kasi ang kulit. Ang kulit niya talaga dun sa teleserye, guys. Grabe. And of course, Althea. She's giving. Eh! O, diba? Nami-memorize ko rin kasi na LSS ako talaga sa Born to Shine. Grabe. Eh! Eh! Kitty Megan dito. Just stay by my side. Eh! Go, Jenny! Sa bawat pahina, this is a time. Oh, diba, kabog? I love it, Yumi. Hey! Of course, ang rap ni ano. Hey! Si Nancy. Diba? Even their moves, guys, pang P-pop na talaga. Gawin na talagang totoong P-pop ang Yumi, guys. Even though Stephanie is a solo artist, definitely kapag Yumi, siya si Jenny, diba? Ganon. Ay. Ang maganda sa vocal nito ni Nancy, magaling mag-rap and the low tone. Eh. Ang ganda ng steps nila. Si Olive May din ganda eh, no? Visual talaga siya. Kumaka talaga ng Angel of Saint to si Yuna. Diba? Pati yung footwork and also yung galaw ng buhok, diba? And grabe guys, nakaka-capture lang talaga ni Yuna yung perspective ko ngayon kasi ang kulit niya sa teleserye and she's being so pretty talaga. stay by my side. We shine. Hey, sa bawat pahinga, this is our time. Oh, nag-enjoy talaga sila. Woo! Diba? Talagang dance kong dance. Power dance. Eh. Si Althea din talaga eh. Althea na rin tawag ko talaga. Ay! Shala Nancy. Attitude. Ay! Bumirin pa ang Stephanie. Just stay by my side. This is Hoy, dance practice to, Stephanie. Jenny, talagang bibirit pa tayo. Grabe, biniritan tayo ni Jenny in a dance practice video, guys. Balikan natin. Kakaloka. Diba? Kumabog pa ng birit. We shine. Sa bawat pahinga, this is our time. Hey! Oh my gosh, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Yumi for their This Is Our Time dance practice. Nawawala ako doon sa birit ni Jenny. Biniritan tayo in a dance practice. Oh my gosh, talagang the U-mates in my heart is so happy to see them having this kind of content, no, separated outside doon sa teleserye. Kasi nakakatawa talaga, and like Yumi has become a brand, it become a P-pop talaga. At ngayon nga may mga collaboration pa sila with G22, BGYO, diba? Vision, and of course, recently, pinag-multiverse na naman nila ang teleserye ng Buhay Kamao sa Born to Shine. Yan ang aabangan this week, guys. Kaya excited tayo sa mga episode this week. At talagang ang ganda kasi Monday to Saturday siya. So 6 days a week, inaabangan natin ang Born to Shine. What can you say about this, guys? You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisure Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.